Yeah, at the moment I am here in the highway. I wear this vest for safety, and if you notice, there are so many glass along the way on this side, on the bike lane, and I've seen so many even on that side. I'm scared that I'll be punctured again, but I'm ready. I bought a new patchet. There are so many cows here in Kempsey. I think most of the beef are coming from this area in Kempsey, because this side all cows, also on the other side there all cows. So the sun is setting down there, and we stop here because I put this raincoat and rain trouser, because yeah, there is a small droplets of water. Look at that. I think there are many Filipinos living in this area of Kempsey, because there are so many cow. It is because a lot of Filipino butchers are working here in Australia. Hey Kawi, kamusta? This is another farm, just one of the farm here, and I noticed that this fence is electricity activated, so it's dangerous. And I noticed that most of the driver, they are giving me enough distance. Yeah, they are crossing to the other side and keep on going. Yeah, and if I notice that there are cars in both ways, I try to stop and get to the very side. And you know, the rain was just on that spot. There's no rain in here. Oh, look at that sunset. Amazing, man. And there is no more sun, and it's a little bit dark already. And as you can see, I have this for my safety, and in the front I have the lights, and I also have one more here. You always see that, but yeah, I don't switch it on because you know, I'm saving. At the moment this one is enough, because I don't know how far more will I stop. Yeah, okay, we go. It is dark here now, and this is another residential area. I still don't know where I am going to stay, but you know, along the way I am seeing some advertisement of a hotel, Caravan. I just don't see it yet, and I have just 3 bars in the battery of my bike. Oh, this is nice. There is a shopping center here. The name of the shopping mall is Rocks Central. We're not going there. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I just sleep. I'm living in this cabin at the moment. I'm staying at this cabin at the moment. There are many cabins in here. It's looking small, but you know, once you are inside, it's just right. So at the moment I am here in the Caravan, and this is how it is. There are many cabins. These are Caravan, you know. Yeah, so I reached this place. To be honest, I still don't know what is the name of this place. It sounds like a south head, southwest. I'm going to tell you later how it looks inside of the cabin. Yeah, I arrived here last night at around 7 o'clock. It was already dark. Yeah, with my bike. Look in there, and this is the view. There is an open space here. I think this is a public place. Yo, there is a river and the bushland, and this is the view, the beach. The sun is rising at the moment in there. My original plan last night was just to do camping, but yeah, when I was arriving it was raining, so I'm sure that the soil is wet, and it will be uncomfortable for me to build the tent or to stay on the ground. Yeah, because you know, the tent has just tarpaulin things, and I'm sure it's getting wet inside. Yeah, that's why I stay in the cabin,
and it cost me $115. And the tent, it just costs maybe 35, 40, $50. Yeah. Yeah, most of the hotels, if it is hotels or room, it is sure to be expensive, more than $100 a night. And if you just rent a space like this is just around $50 or less. You know, I noticed that most of the people doing the caravan thing are the older people. I mean, they are retiree. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I saw them sometimes just husband and wife. They are traveling together with their caravan and roaming around the area. Yeah, with their car, just like that. Those is they're pulling that caravan with their car. It is really nice. And the young ones, they are usually having just the car or a van, and they have their things inside the van, not a caravan. Yeah, and they usually stay in the surfing area or in the city, in the Gold Coast, like that. Yeah, this nice small beach with a nice well, you know, most of the city here in Australia, or most of the town here in Australia, are situated along the coast, so mostly are in the beach. Yeah, I am actually hesitant to stay here last night because maybe they assigned me in a space like that that is near to the public place. I don't want it because maybe there are some people that will do a trip, like, you know, they make fun of my tent. On summer breeze, keep me warm and you love, and it's something new, and destiny you need to show. Break it down, yeah. And I would say that traveling around Australia is a bit expensive, especially if you are, yeah, the one that makes it expensive is the hotel stay. Yeah, like what I'm always saying, that staying in a hotel will cost you at least $100 for a hotel room. It's always more than that. Even an ordinary hotel room, it will cost you more than $100. The cheapest stay that you can go into here in Australia is in the backpacker hostel. Yeah, that costs you more around 25 to $50 or even more, but it is sure going to be a shared room, like 4 or 10 people in a room. Yeah, yeah. That is how it is. And yeah, yeah, some people they stay in the car. I am seeing them a lot. Okay, this one is not part of the caravan anymore. This is a public space, a park. I'm a little far from the caravan where I stay. And look at this. There is another space here. I mean, another beach. Look at those rocks. They look beautiful from here. Eh, yeah, there are also some people far from here. I don't know what they're doing. This, oh, maybe they are fishing because they are standing just on the shore, not moving. You know, I really like these shoes. I bought it from Kmart. It's $49. Yeah, it's still two. These are working shoes, but it's good for walking around, even in the beach, because you know the sand will not go inside. Also, this is waterproof, good with when it is raining, and I am on my bike. Oh wow, a friend, that's what you do. Oh, Marine Rescue Trial Bay. Trial Bay. So this place is Trial Bay? I still don't know until now. I didn't see any sign of this name, sign of the name of this place. We are back. I can smell from here something Asian food. Yeah, delicious. It tastes, you know, I don't know. Yeah, so basically This is the cabin where I am staying. I will show you how it is inside. But this time oh wow. Just now I noticed this. Yeah, basically this is the view for the triple decker bed. There's triple decker bed inside. Yeah, this is the bed, the kitchen, the dining area. I have my bike here because I charged it last night. Oh, they have this stove, you know, and the oven. And this is the triple decker bed that I am telling you. Cabinet, what is inside here? Oh wow. Electricals. There is the toilet. Shower. Yeah, this is the cabin. And that's it. I will see you outside. I need this key. Switch of the aircon. Actually, it's not aircon. I don't know. It's a remote control for TV. You know, this is actually a heater. Yeah. So the temperature inside here is 24 degrees. That's the nice temperature. And outside is maybe I switch on the TV. No. And the temperature outside is less than maybe 15 or 10 degrees. It is cold here. And we are again ready to go. Minsan po may nakasulat na no camping.
Oh, is it?
Mayroon po mga nagano minsan.
Kasi
Yan, pero hanggat walang nakasulat, pwede po yun.
dito kami nakatira. Matagal ka na dito?
Mga 3 years na po.
Ah, so, nag-residence ka na?
Hindi po, work.
Ah?
Naka-work visa lang po ako.
Work visa, working visa.
Apo, ano lang po yun, 4 years po.
That's good. At least mag-permanent ka doon. Mag-file ka ng ano.
Permanent residency. Siguro po. Sige po, salamat po.
Sige, ingat ka sa pag-drive.
Apo, salamat po. Yeah, we're just getting here because we're going to pay for the night of stay we did last night. Yeah, yesterday I didn't pay because they said, come back tomorrow. Yeah, the lady in the reception said those Filipinas that are working there are happy people. And that's true. Yeah, they are happy people when they are together. I also went in that grocery last night and I speak with the guy there, a Chinese, and he said his wife is also Filipino. And he said that there are many Filipinos in the area. Yeah, even the cook in that restaurant is a Filipino. That is what he said. Yeah, just now I realized, I remember that the name of this place is Southwest Rocks. Yeah, I was coming from that side and it's beautiful. I just had my breakfast in that restaurant. Nice. We keep on going.